Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action for June 17th, 2020, currently 4:05 p.m. It is Wednesday, hump day, and we are looking at the markets. We start with the SPY real quick. Markets opened up here, kind of gapped up a bit, faded, and then gravitated up to the north side a little bit, and then fell off near the end of the day. So really no real trade setups in the afternoon, unfortunately. But I had a really good morning, so I was happy with that. Let's talk about the trade I did miss, and my finger was on the button. Just, you guys have watched these videos or seen my posts that I like trading Beyond probably more than any other stock right now, and the reason why is because of this. Okay, so this opening candle here had a high of 157 or 156.99, and I had an order filled out here. We'll call it 157 for 300 shares, just like this, beginning of the day before the market's even open, because this is where I wanted to be. I knew it was going to open around that range. It actually dropped down, so you can see like 54 here, so it did pull back pretty good on the opening, even though it gapped up. It broke through, got to 56, like 80, and I watched the momentum. I should have jumped in. Problem is, when you jump in a trade that soon after the market opens, I literally could have gone from 156.8, well, not 156.80, but 156.90, let's say, and it could have dropped to 155 in no time, where I couldn't have gotten out. So I was waiting for it to print, and it just jumped the hell out of me. And as you can see, one candle took you from 150, you wouldn't even be able to sell it quick enough. Took you from 157 to 160, was it 2? I think it is, or 161. And then it pulled back and then continued to climb, pull back, continued to climb, got to 164. So the initial move was here. That would have been, I probably would have sold some on the way up, of course, and I probably would have sold a lot more. But let's just say 57 to 64. I mean, you do the math, times 3 shares, that's like, $2,100. Let's take some off. Let's just say $1,000. I mean, it was very frustrating. But I understood. I had to regroup, and I did. And I actually heard a call about IMTE. Now, this is one of those banking, media, Black Matters stocks that the space is down getting funding and things like that. So I took the break on this candle here, on this 2-minute candle, and I jumped in at 8 on the dot, and it ran up super quick. I didn't even get to. I sold some real quick. I had 500 shares, right? And I sold some real quick, and then it halted. So, of course, I started freaking out a little bit, but the momentum was to the north. I knew it wouldn't drop on me. And then I sold a little bit more, and then it halted again, pulled back, halted again on this move, and then I sold here. My best sell was 1280. I'm pretty proud of that. It wasn't a lot of shares, but it was a huge trade. It was actually a $600 trade, I believe. Give me a second, I'll confirm that. Yeah, it was $608 of a trade, cumulative profit, realized gains on this particular trade, 500 shares. Now, if I had not sold the initial 100 here on this little move, even the 200, would have been bigger. But I can't worry about that. And then on the way back down, I did get out a couple times with some smaller share amounts and just closed it out. But look what happened at the end of the day. This is what usually happens. It just falls from 1360, and at the end of the day, you can see here it's at 537 to 563 ask. These stocks are crazy. I mean, they're just getting the momentum. People are riding them up, and then they sell them off. The shorts come in and kill it. Sometimes you get the bigger moves. I mean, the shorts were getting squeezed here all the way up, which caused the nice gains. But I haven't had any of these. I haven't had a chance to get in we've been seeing these for weeks now, where the stock just goes up, 10 points, whatever it is. I mean, this thing was up from like $3 $2 to $13. I mean, it's up. It's only ended up 25%, which is insane considering it was up like 500%. But so be it. And that's how my trading day went. I took a couple small trades where I lost on them. I wasn't, conserving my capital that I made, and I just wanted to end on a good note. And I kept it above 500. I didn't, but nothing really set up. I was going to take something if it set up. I think the biggest one I was watching all afternoon was Spotify. This is 2-minute candle. We'll go to 5-minute. Late afternoon break here of this level. I mean, you could see it across the way. 193 break. This thing went from 193 to 199 or 200. Actually got to 199. It's about to get to 200 in after hours probably if it hasn't already. But pretty good trade today. I'll take it. I'm up $512 today, and I'll walk away green and get back to trading tomorrow, Thursday. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll be back. If you like to subscribe, please go ahead. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.